Alrighty, good morning guys. Saturday, August 18th. I got the John Deere 550 here. We're going to clean up this corn. Got a cord running all over the power over there. The bin or the sweeper's already inside. Ear protection's a must, or at least I like it anyhow, because that way you don't go deaf on a farm. A lot of guys I know, they run tractors, open cab tractors for years, and they're hard hearing. So I don't want to end up like that. Always protect your ears the best you can. No power. Uh-oh. So I don't have power here. So what I'm going to do is unplug it there, run a cord up there to the post right there, and we'll plug it in. Get my nut out of it. Okay, go around this bucket in case we don't get done today and we need the skid loader for something. Power there. Plug it in. We'll go back now and see if she... I might have to go get more cord to get all the way around the bin. I'm not sure. Let's see if it works. Sweet. Get more cord to do this job. I'm gonna go buy some good extension cords. You know, these are the only two we got here on this farm, and it's like, the heck did they all go? So I'm gonna finish getting that out and get that clean, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so this is next day after cleaning the corn bin out. I gotta go around here with the shop vac and clean up all of this around the edges. Shouldn't be too bad, should only take a little bit, and we'll get in front of that a little bit better there and get that all cleaned up. Okay, guys, that wasn't too bad. Got all the way around this thing. Just leave this thing in here then. On the next project. If you guys enjoy, please comment.